Dell 27240Hz gaming monitor, SE2726HG. Smooth speed meets everyday comfort. Dell expands its gaming monitor lineup with the Dell SE2726HG, a 27-inch Full HD monitor designed for gamers who value ultra-smooth performance, fast response times, and reliable visual quality. With a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate, this monitor is clearly aimed at competitive and fast-paced gaming, while still delivering solid everyday usability. At the heart of the SE2726HG is a 19,201,080 Full HD IPS panel, offering wide viewing angles and consistent color reproduction. The monitor covers 99% of the sRGB color space, making it suitable not only for gaming but also for casual content creation, streaming, and media consumption. Brightness levels reach around 300 nits, while the standard 1000:1 contrast ratio ensures clear visuals in both bright and dim scenes. Performance is where this monitor truly shines. The 240Hz refresh rate delivers incredibly fluid motion, significantly reducing blur during fast gameplay such as esports shooters, racing titles, and action games. Combined with a response time as low as 0.5 milliseconds, extreme mode, the SE2726HG minimizes ghosting and input lag. Support for MD FreeSync. Premium further enhances gameplay by reducing screen tearing and stuttering when paired with compatible GPUs. Connectivity options are practical and future-ready. The monitor includes two HDMI ports and a DisplayPort 1.4, allowing users to connect gaming PCs, consoles, and other devices with ease. Both HDMI and DisplayPort support 108op at 240Hz, ensuring you get the full performance potential regardless of your setup. Dell also focuses on long-term comfort. The SE2726HG Rhineland Eye Comfort Certified, featuring flicker-free technology and reduced blue light to help minimize eye strain during extended gaming or work sessions. The anti-glare coating further improves usability in bright rooms. In terms of design, the monitor sports a sleek, thin bezel look with a clean black finish. The stand supports tilt adjustment, and the display is VSA mount compatible, 100x100, for users who prefer wall or arm mounting. Overall, the Dell SE2726HG is an excellent choice for gamers seeking high refresh rate performance at an accessible price. While it sticks to Full HD resolution, its speed, color accuracy, and comfort features make it a strong contender in the competitive gaming monitor segment.